Well, hello everybody. The DUI guy is back once again. Here we are in season 6 of our DUI guy live streaming episodes. Today we are going to continue our reaction series. I wanted to once again thank everybody who joined me during our celebration of 100,000 subscribers. That was quite unique. Still waiting on that notification to get that silver play button, which I'm sure we'll acquire in no time. But in the meantime, we just keep on trucking. Keep on pounding away, keep on creating content for you guys. I'm going to turn on my chat here so that I can see what people are saying. Since I'm with one screen, which you have no idea how frustrating it is to stream when you only have one screen available. Hey, Minnesota News Now, Kevin Coburn, Ryuk's Apple, welcome to the chat. Welcome. We got the usual suspects in the house. Updates, not a whole lot to update. We had a couple DUI cases resolved recently, very favorably to us, so there's really not much to report. We do have a jury trial currently scheduled in 2 weeks, may or may not go. And then we have another jury trial in about a month that I anticipate should go. But yeah, just continuing the usual. Today we got some interesting reaction videos that have been sent to me. I'm going to minimize myself. Some very interesting stuff, you guys. This video titled Firefighter Arrested by a Deputy Who Dated His Girlfriend. Okay. Let me go ahead and share that link with you guys in the chat. I mean, that title, if that doesn't like already get you fired up, I don't know what will. Let me share that with you guys. Did I ever get that ceiling cleaned from the champagne? I wish I could show you guys. So the champagne dried up, but I think the cork has left a mark. Like I see there's like a little brown spot that I think has been made by the cork. I'm not 100%. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But I don't think it was there before. It was was definitely created by that cork when it struck the ceiling. So the champagne has dried. It says link is broken. Oh wait, why does it say Facebook? That is not what I copied. Okay, stupid YouTube. Ugh. Okay, here we go. All right. Now, you guys, we are also live on Twitch. So be on the lookout. The DUI guy is also live on Twitch, as you all can see. The DUI guy is also live on Twitch. So feel free to find us on Twitch. All right, here we go.
Drink tonight,
I
man.
got a couple IDs in my pockets.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
I have none.
You having what?
None.
Okay, Mr. Best. With your eyes and your eyes only.
So real quick, he used to fuck lady, and so we have an altercation. So I would appreciate it if you would agree.
You need to listen to him.
Mr. Bass.
I understand that.
Oh, that's loud. That guy's all over the place with his commentary.
Hello. Do me a favor, roll down this back window for me. How you doing, bud? Good. Deputy Dela Cruz, Otero County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over is that your trailer doesn't have any lamps on it.
Hey, Brownie.
It doesn't? Are the lights on
Have a seat.
Are the lights on it?
Yeah, the lights aren't working.
the brake lights?
Yeah, the brake lamps are not working on the trailer.
You sure?
I'm 100% positive, yes, sir. You got a driver license on you, insurance, registration?
I thought I had my brake lights on it.
You been drinking at night, man?
No, I have not. Hey, if you look right now on if it's connected to the truck, it should be connected.
So the guy forgot to hook up his brake lights, it looks like.
Where are you headed to? Where you stay at? Okay. Where you coming from?
So I got the previous insurance for it.
Okay, give me 1 second, bud.
Hey, can I get out?
No, sit still.
So far, not much is happening. I mean, he got his information from him, probably insurance, registration, license, and so on.
I can't tell if he's been drinking or not, dude. 6 NSO, New Mexico deal. He did dip out on me.
Yeah.
16, go ahead.
10-4, 5-0. Why does this guy look familiar?
Why does this guy look familiar? Here we go. Don't forget what this video is titled, you guys. Why does this guy... There's an echo, says Kevin. Oh, bloody hell. Seriously? Oh, it may be my cell phone. It may have been my cell phone. Let me turn that sound off. Sometimes when I switch windows. Hopefully this will take care of the echo. Sorry, I can't get this studio to operate properly. I apologize. Copwatch obtained body-worn camera footage of an arrest that involved an off-duty firefighter and an Otero County Sheriff's deputy pulling him over for a non-working taillight on a trailer. The off-duty firefighter was concerned about the deputy... The off-duty firefighter was concerned about the deputy have a prior relationship with his girlfriend. The case was dismissed. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Talk about the ultimate result.
But why he would have went down Griffin or Doc Ranch and then back to
Yeah.
Why does this guy look familiar, he says. I guess we're about to find out. Somebody sent this to me recently, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm definitely jumping this to the front of the line.
Good.
That's a heck of a title.
On a valid class E as in Edward, please negative 2
Let's just side by side.
Yeah. 2.
Alright, he's running his information, the driver's information.
Tail lamps.
He's making computer sounds, I think. What the hell was that?
Good, though. I mean, because it's his side by side, comes back, everything's good.
Yeah.
Hey, Zappy.
Mr.
Yeah,
Bass.
he said that I can't tell if the guy was drinking a brownie. I mean, it's borderline reasonable suspicion. I wouldn't say he's got it just yet, but he's pretty darn close. Let's keep watching.
Let me ask you a-
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question.
Do I
real
have the
quick.
opportunity to check my trailer? Make sure?
You can get the opportunity when I'm done speaking. Matter of fact, step out for me real quick.
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor, just walk back to my unit over here.
He sounds a little slurred.
Mr. Bass.
I mean, you can tell something
Do
is
me a
off.
favor. Go and stand in front of my unit right here. Mr. Bass. Pay attention. Stand in front of my unit right here, please.
Do I not have trailer lights? Do I not have
You do
trailer
not.
lights?
Stand right here.
Oh boy. The more he talks, the more obvious it's starting to become that there's something askew with this feller. Exactly, Brownie. He says, time to shut up, give me a ticket, and let me be on my way.
Stand right here for me, next to my unit. Do me a favor, take off your hat for me. What we're about to conduct some field sobriety tests, Mr. Bass. The reason I am is because you swerved on the middle of the highway near mile marker 73. Then you slammed on your brakes.
Wait. Okay, now things are starting to get a little fishy. So, first and foremost, if y'all remember at the very beginning of this interaction, the deputy that was pulling the firefighter over said, I pulled you over because of your brake lights. It was loud and clear. Your brake lights are not operational. I'm pulling you over. You got a technical violation. It's a violation. He can pull him over. No question. So far, so good. Okay, now I suspect something. I want you to get out. We're going to do some field sobriety tests. Oh, and by the way, sir, you have also had this, and this violation, which I completely neglected to mention. What? Let's hear them again.
What we're about to conduct some field sobriety tests, Mr. Bass. The reason I am is because you swerved on the middle of the highway near mile marker 73.
You swerved in the middle of the highway. Did you just totally forget to mention it for 5 minutes and 2 seconds of the interaction? Hello? Anyone? Anyone?
Then you slammed on your brakes.
Oh, and then you also slammed on your brakes. Where is he getting this stuff? I mean, I didn't witness it on the video unless I completely missed it, number one. Number two, the video doesn't begin at the beginning, so half of that statement we can't even verify with video. And most importantly, that's not why he said he stopped. Remember, let's go back to the very, very beginning of the interaction. Remember what he said to the driver?
Hello?
Listen.
Do me a favor, roll down this back window for me. How you doing, bud? Good. Deputy De La Cruz, Otero County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over is that your trailer doesn't have any lamps on it.
The reason I pulled you over is because your trailer didn't have any lamps on it. There's no mention of any swerving. There's no mention of any braking hard. Nothing. This officer literally just went backwards in time and created a reasonable suspicion of something that may or may not even exist. Talk about shady. That's shady as hell.
Slammed on your brakes, then you turned on Dog Ranch. Does that make sense?
Hey, Richard.
So the reason why you pulled me over?
And I also pulled you over because your tail lamps. Yes, sir. All right. Do me a favor. Go ahead and stand right here with your feet together. Hands to your side. Get your hands in your pocket for me. Face me.
I don't like this cop.
Feet together. Hands to your side. Hands to your side. There you go, sir. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes? Any medical conditions prevent you from doing any tests?
Politely refuse these tests, guys.
Okay.
Don't have to do them. There's no law that says you must do field
Anything
sobriety
in your
test
pockets,
anywhere.
Mr. Best.
No penalty for
Don't
not
reach in your
doing it.
pockets, please.
You may get arrested. That's about it. You give him less evidence
How
to
much
work
did you have to
with.
drink tonight,
I got
man?
a couple IDs in my pockets.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
I've been none.
You haven't what?
I had not none.
Okay, Mr. Best.
I have not
With your
done.
eyes and your eyes only, follow my finger. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Follow my finger, not moving your head.
See,
You
this
understand?
deputy, if he wants to conduct field sobriety test, he does not need to create an excuse. He's a cop, okay? He has authority. He can say, look, I suspect you might be under the influence of something based on the way that you appeared to me, so how about we do these tests? And he can say no, he can say yes, but by virtue of him creating a violation of a moving violation, because not having your tail lights operational is a mechanical violation, it's not a moving violation, you can't get points for those either. So again, I don't know what this deputy is doing, and what the hell is the point of fabricating a reason to get him stopped? That may have lost him the case, that right there. I mean, because you must have a reasonable suspicion or probable cause to pull over a vehicle, which he did have, but then he lied about it. And as we're about to find out, there's a relational connection between these two, which is definitely creating some friction. Remember, the deputy said, why does this guy look so familiar at one point? Why does this guy look so familiar? He recognized him from somewhere, but he can't remember from where. Interesting stuff, Zappy. Interesting stuff.
you want your other officer over here?
Wait, hold on. Andrew Gilblum says, I refused in Pennsylvania and suspended me for a year for refusing. Now, are you talking about the breath test? Because Pennsylvania has a year suspension on breath and blood. I'm talking about the field sobriety test right now. We have not talked about the breath and blood, which I can talk about in a second, but I'm just talking about the field sobriety test. Field sobriety test can be refused in every jurisdiction in the country with zero consequences. Again, other than getting arrested for whatever reason cop may fabricate, or maybe not fabricate. Maybe they do have a probable cause at that point, but why give them more? That's basically the name of the game. It's like you're volunteering statements. How did you murder, Ms. Smith? Used a knife and a hatchet, whatever, right? Why are you giving them more evidence to use against you? You just gave them a confession. Same thing here. This is no different than a confession by bodily act. That's all it is. But with respect to refusing breath and or blood, Andrew, yes, your license will get suspended. By the way, don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I almost forgot to say it. Like this video, comment below, subscribe, and join on as a member. You'll get some awesome perks such as emojis and badges and stuff. So, and exclusive content. The interesting thing about what's happening here with respect to refusal of breath and or blood, and pretty much every jurisdiction that I know of, at least in Kentucky, I can't speak, obviously this is not legal advice, you guys already know, but I can't speak for other jurisdictions. Like in Kentucky, if you refuse, I can get you back on the road with an ignition interlock. A blow and go, right? A blow and go. Easy stuff. But some jurisdictions may not have it. I don't know. I don't know what your jurisdiction is like. I know in the majority of jurisdictions, the same option is available to you, so that shouldn't be much of a problem. However, maybe in some jurisdictions you're not eligible for it, and there are, like I always say, there are 14, I think the count is 14 states, so about, 28%, about a quarter, somewhere between a quarter and a third of states, or is it 11 jurisdictions? I forget. I'm sorry, I forgot my numbers already. But anyway, it's somewhere around there where you should not refuse, because refusal is a crime, such as in Nebraska, and I believe New Jersey or Maryland. There's a couple more. I mean, I'm still learning I know Nebraska for a fact. Nebraska 100%. Nebraska, you refuse, it's a crime. Don't refuse in Nebraska, is all I'm saying, and like 10 other jurisdictions. The breath test. Field sobriety, refuse everywhere. No question. Stop doing it. Stop. All right, back to the video.
Because we have
Mr. Bess,
So real quick, he used to fuck my lady, and so we have an altercation.
Correct,
so
safety
I would
man.
appreciate it if you would agree.
You need to listen to
Mr.
him.
Bass.
I understand that. I'm here right now, but I'm
watch
listening.
my eyes and everything. Watch my eyes and everything.
I'm
please,
watching
sir.
you.
Please, sir.
I don't know,
I'm
Zach.
Watch my eyes and
Listen,
everything. Watch
but
everything.
listen to him, okay?
Mr. Bass,
Watch
you're
my
gonna-
eyes and
you're gonna
everything.
get yourself
Watch
in
my
more
eyes.
trouble.
I understand that, but
gonna
listen
get
to him.
myself-
I'm trying to help you out, sir.
Oh, you're
I'm trying to help you out. Yeah, bullshit. I'm trying to gather evidence against you is what I'm
No, I'm
doing.
not refusing the test. I'm asking another officer to observe the test.
it's not
that
his
you're giving
stop.
me.
It is my stop, Mr. Bess. I'm gonna give you one
He's-
more. I'm gonna
he's
give you
reading.
one more opportunity
smart
to
man.
stop talking and do the test.
Is there fuel-
If not,
Is your field cam running with you?
yes, sir. It's right here.
Okay. I ask that he please observe the test that he's giving.
I'm here, but listen
Okay.
to him.
Okay.
Mr. Bess, pay attention.
Okay.
Hands to your side, feet together.
Okay. I'll watch.
Aw, damn. I was hoping that he
pointing
was
towards
going to
me.
refuse
They're
them.
pointing towards
No,
you.
they are not.
Okay,
Point them towards me. There you go.
Is
Feet,
that
feet together.
pointing towards you?
Feet together. Put them together, Mr. Bess. There you go. Now, with your eyes and your eyes only, follow my finger. Do you understand?
I
Zappy
understand.
says this is about to get better. I can't wait. This is about to get so much better. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel. Join out as a member. Yeah, sorry, I have a plain white shirt on
Hour
today.
later.
Not representing anyone or
cold as fuck.
anything.
So of course I'm shivering.
I like how he's commenting about how he's feeling and how he's reacting to all this. That's really going to help him.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold.
But it also, like, I don't know. Different minds may differ.
I just got off 72 hours of shift. 3 investigations.
I like this guy. He's got spunk. He's got character.
Mr. Bass, follow the finger with your eyes and your eyes only.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Don't. Why are you getting teary-eyed? Because it's cold,
It's
right?
cold, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
very cold.
you give me that, right?
I'll give you that. Look at my finger.
Okay. There's,
All right, Mr. Bass. This is what we're going to do.
you see that? You see that? He's teary-eyed.
There's the method to the madness, I promise you.
Mr. Bass.
There's a method to the madness.
Stand over here for
just
me.
keep doing what I'm telling
See
you
this
to
line
do.
right here? See that line?
Hey, Clink.
Okay. Stand with your feet together, hands to your side. Okay. Now place your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe. You understand?
I do.
Okay. You're going to take a series of 9 steps, heel to toe.
1.
Not yet. I didn't tell you to start, Mr. Bass. Now, Mr. Bass,
This is bullshit. Can you give me
Mr.
a
Bass,
It is.
Mr. Bass,
No, it's not. Listen to me.
pay attention. Stand with your right foot in front of your left foot,
Come on, this bitch, bro.
right here. Turn this way, face the line. I'm trying to help you out, Mr. Bass.
No, you're not.
'Kay.
Liar.
Now,
You wipe your tears because it's cold.
Mr. Bass,
Realize that I'm fucking shivering too.
Mr. Bass,
Shivering too. I don't got the fucking gear you on, you do.
Mr.
Oh
Bass.
my God, this is awesome.
Go ahead and stand with your right foot in front of your left foot, just like so. Hands to your side. Right foot in front of your left foot.
I don't know,
There you
Dan
go, Mr.
Lofet.
Bass.
I guess we're about to find
Now,
out.
you're going to take a series of 9 steps, counting out. 1, 2, not yet. I didn't tell you to start, Mr. Bass.
Listen to the instructions.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity.
Boy, this is so wild.
Yes, sir.
It's cold as fuck, you know that shit.
Pay attention, Mr. Bass. Put your right foot
It's
in front
like,
of your left foot.
he's like hammering it
Give
home.
the instructions and I'll do it.
Put your right foot in front of your left foot, Mr. Bass. Now, you're going to take 9 steps, heel to toe, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Taking a series of small steps.
Yeah, he's not
coming back
giving
the
instructions
opposite
in a very
direction,
proper
counting
way.
9 steps, heel to toe. Does that make sense? Do you understand the instructions, Mr. Bass? Okay, I'm going ahead and demonstrate it to you, okay?
Okay, demonstrate for me, please.
Don't move out of that position until I tell you to do so.
Demonstrate on this line for me, because
Mr.
I'm shivering too.
Go ahead and turn around for me. Turn around.
Could I put a sweater on mine?
Turn around, Mr.
Let me
Bass.
do the test. Let
No,
me do
you're
the
under
test.
arrest, Mr. Bass, for DWI. Turn
I'm
around.
under the wrist?
Turn around. Turn
You didn't
around.
even give me the test.
You're not complying.
All right, I'll listen. I'll listen.
Mr. Bass, turn around. Put your hands behind your back, Mr. Bass.
You're not listening. He gave you multiple opportunities to do something and you keep stopping. You keep listening to instructions.
Damn jacket.
A major part of it, alright?
I feel for him.
Not anymore, no sir. We give you every opportunity.
I mean, I'll give that to the cop. It's a little late for that.
Come on over here. Got anything in your pockets that I need to be aware about? Huh?
Really, man?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah?
How much did you have to drink tonight, man? You reek alcohol. Huh?
Oh, now all of a
Let's see.
sudden he reeks of alcohol. Like, for 11 and a half minutes, there's not a single word. He's talking to the guy. He's talking to him inside the truck. He's talking to him outside. And now, all of a sudden, I mean, this guy just magically creates facts out of thin air. He's like, I pulled you over for lights. Your light's not working. Oh, never mind. Now we're going to do field sobriety test because you actually swerved back there and you slammed on your brakes. Oh, yeah. And also, by the way, before I forget, you also reek of alcohol. Like, pick a lane, bro. Pick a fucking lane. Which lane are you going to take, deputy? Or are you just going to, like, I'm just going to create it as I go along? Like, that's not how it works.
Make sure your foot's in there. I don't want to slam the door on your leg. What's your knee?
Hashtag disappointed. You got that right, Anthony.
Something on your ID.
How's it going, sir? You been drinking?
hi.
You been drinking tonight, bud?
A long time ago, years ago.
I'm talking
I've
about-
had 8 beers in 15 years.
Okay, that's good. That's really good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I used to drink.
Oh, whoa. I think this is what Zappy was referring to. Wait a minute. Wait. 8 beers in 15 years. First of all, that rhymes. Kudos to you, sir. Secondly, he's got a sober freaking passenger. What? Huh? Oh, talk about a case. Yeah. I have a sober passenger, but let me just go ahead and drive drunk myself. Put the passenger at risk, because obviously the passenger won't care. Wow. No, I don't think we got there yet, Zappy. Holy crap. No, we haven't gotten there yet. If Big Boof Gaming, how do you handle cases where the cop doesn't have body camera and only has dash camera? You just deal with it in a different way. I mean, what kind of question is that? You just deal with it as it is.
Why are you letting him drive?
Well, you know he's young, 26.
Okay.
You know how younger kids are. I'm 69. I know better.
Did he just throw him?
But you
Did he just throw him under the bus?
let him drive while he's drunk? He reeks of alcohol.
It's a little more difficult than that.
What do you mean?
Well, it's his vehicle, I've told him before. Yeah.
You told him not to drive before, not drunk, and he just didn't want to listen to you tonight.
He's a little wild side. You know how kids are.
I take everything I said back. This case just got unraveled. Completely. Every bit of damage that the officer did has just been literally undone. Practically. Why did you let him drive drunk? He reeks of alcohol. You know how kids are. You know, they like their alcohol and they like their Hot Wheels. So I'm 69. What am I gonna do? You know, nah.
I do.
I
Yeah.
disagree that way.
Yeah.
Well, I hate to say that. I shouldn't say that.
Yeah. He's slurring his words. He's swerving all over the road. That's what got my attention immediately when I was on the highway.
The officer's really freaking smart. He's confirming everything through this witness, and then the prosecutor's gonna call this guy, Mr. 69 over here, and yeah, yep.
And that's when he slammed on the brakes and took Dog Ranch. Yeah, I know he saw me. That's why he took Dog Ranch.
Yeah, I know. I saw him do it. Dude, whose side
I
are you
wouldn't look
on?
Twice at all.
I got a Class A CDL.
Fabulous.
Truck driver.
Fabulous.
Fuel. 13 years.
Really cool, man.
Aircraft
And what's your name, sir?
Richard
Rich-
Tresnowski.
Oh, Carlos De La Cruz.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now he shakes his hand because thank you for literally making my case for me.
Yeah, it's different values. A little,
Okay.
Yeah, with friends like that, right,
Did you
Kevin?
see him drink tonight?
when we're way up in the mountain. Yeah.
So he drove after he drank, though, huh?
Well, we were on the Polaris.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But still, that's still driving drunk on the Polaris.
Notice how the officer continuously repeats the phrase driving drunk. Notice how he was driving drunk. Did you notice as he was driving drunk? I mean, he's literally just building his case. Little does the witness know. I mean, he probably, I'll be honest, it's not about him wanting to crucify his friend, his young 26-year-old buddy, the firefighter. I think he just has no idea. I mean, based on what is happening in front of us, it doesn't seem intentional. He's just trying to be a good guy. He's just telling the cop what he wants to hear. He's like, look, I respect the law. It's a dumbass move. Don't get me wrong. It's a dumbass freaking move. But I mean, he's almost 70 years old, man. Like, what is he gonna do? He doesn't really give a shit. I mean, whatever. Just shut your mouth next time.
No? Yeah. Okay. Did he have a lot tonight? Do you know?
I know he had one for sure.
Okay. Okay.
I had one. That was my eighth one. My eighth one in 15 years.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
That's really good.
Yeah, you know when you get around a guy that wants to have a beer, right?
Yeah, that's really good. Would you be willing to drive the truck if he allows it? Okay, give me a moment, okay?
Okay, this cop is being so nice, right? Look at this guy. He's like, the gentleman just admitted to drinking one beer, right? The older gentleman, the 69-year-old gentleman, just admitted to having drunk one beer. We don't know if it's a lie or the truth. We don't know if he's under the influence. I mean, we don't know anything. But we do have an admission to drinking alcohol. And the officer is so happy that this gentleman, what's his name, Richard? Richard has provided him all the evidence he needs to get the young kid. He's like, dude, just don't worry about it. Just, you had a beer, drive away. Just take the truck. If he allows it, just take the truck. Drive away, no worries. We got you covered. We're not even going to stop you. Not going to arrest you. Not going to breathalyze you. Not going to field sobriety test you. Nothing. Yeah, you had a beer. You're 69. You'll find your way home. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Just take the truck. If he lets you, who cares? You're good. God. Oh, man. This guy is something else. Oh, my God. This case is back to crumbling. This case is back to crumbling. Thank you, officer, for being such a head. Did you see that? I censored myself.
Reeks of alcohol.
That's an interesting point. Michael Doherty says the cop wants to have evidence that the passenger is drunk and get a twofer. That would be the shadiest thing I have ever witnessed in my entire life. If that happens, you guys, if that happens, I will have all the justification I need for why this case was dismissed. If it was. That's what the notes say on the original video. I can show them to you right here. It's from Cop Watch. The case was, show more. The case was dismissed. That's what it says. But it's in twofer. You're getting 2 for 1. Collab and clink. The cop wants to have, like, if this guy gets behind the wheel and drives off, and then the officer pulls him over and is like, oh, by the way, remember you admitted to 1 beer and now you're driving? Yeah, you're driving drunk too. He did more than just... He basically just enabled a drunk driver. Like, that's complete bullshit. I hope that doesn't happen. Dear God, I hope that doesn't happen. I will cry, you guys.
Mr. Best, I'm going to read you something important, okay? You are under arrest for DWI. You understand? The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take the test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. Does that make sense? If you choose to take this additional independent test...
What's the independent test?
I'm about to explain that to you, okay? If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed
But we
by
don't
the
know
hospital.
if the
Mr.
1 beer
Bass,
is true or not. Maybe he's lying, Dan Low-Fat. We don't know. People who say 1 usually have 2. People who say couple usually had 4. You know,
Well, it's not his. It's not his investigation, sir. So it's mine.
He's with you. He's with you.
He's with me right now.
here.
Okay, Mr. Best.
Not
Now-
always, but
You can
and the cops know
the
that.
hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of additional tests will be paid by a law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test?
Be paid by law
Mr. Best,
enforcement.
do you agree
Man,
to
I
take
want
the
to move
test?
to this state. If you get
Do you
your
agree
own
to take a
test,
breathalyzer
the
test?
cops will pay for it. Here, you have
Do
to
you
pay
not
for it
understand it?
yourself.
No, I do not. So will you please read it again for me? You said the cost of additional tests will be under
Yeah,
my
so if
document.
you refuse to take our breath test, you can do additional tests at the hospital if you like.
Right.
There's no valid reason for me to take the test.
Is that a refusal, sir?
You arrested me.
Is that a refusal?
Will you read that again for me?
Is that a refusal, sir?
Please
Mr.
read that
Bass,
again for
the
me.
way it is, so he
Will
just
you read
read
that
you the
again for me,
implied
sir?
consent.
Please, sir.
Okay.
His
I'll
speech
read-
sounds a lot clearer now,
Okay.
by the way. It may have
I'll
been the
read to
cold
you
weather,
again.
the cold wind. Because actually, the cop's buddy, the one on the right hand side, he sounds drunk now. I take it back. When your jaw starts to freeze over, sometimes you may sound like you're a little bit intoxicated when you're not, just because your jaw is a little cold and it's a little frozen over here. So you may not be intoxicated, but you may sound a little intoxicated because your face is not freaking working.
Okay.
Because he sounds
Don't
better now.
interrupt me.
That he's been sitting in the warm car.
Last time, I didn't.
But you did,
not
sir.
Interrupt. No, I did not. I waited.
Can I read this?
For your time.
Can I read this?
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. I won't
Okay.
interrupt you.
Can I read this, sir?
So like you said.
Okay. Yeah, you are under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent
Mexico.
Act requires you to submit a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent
I'll go back,
test,
Zappy. Give
you
me
have
a
the
minute.
right to a reasonable opportunity to
I saw your
arrange for a
message.
physician, a licensed nurse, or a laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by the hospital or physician of
What is that, sir? Oh, you're under arrest now for DWI. That's what just happened to me. Okay. I do not agree to that. I do not
Smart,
agree. Go
thank
ahead and
you.
Shut the door and
No field sobriety test, no breath test. It just slams the car door like, fuck you, man. You're not giving me anything I want.
6 stencil.
Okay, let me go back. So I'm sorry, 612 Zappy says is where. How did I miss this? Let me hear this again.
Obviously, because we have a.
Mr. Best,
So real quick, he used to
Yeah,
fuck.
listen,
He used to
listen,
fuck my lady, and so we have an altercation. So I would appreciate it if you would agree.
You need to listen.
Oh my god, how did I miss this? I must have been distracted. Holy crap.
Because
Oh.
we have a.
Mr. Best,
So real quick, he used to
Yeah,
fuck.
listen,
He used to
listen,
fuck my lady, and so we have an altercation. So I.
He used to have sexual relations with my lady. So we've got a history. Ooh. That's bad.
I would appreciate it if you would agree.
You need to listen to him. I understand that. I'm here right
That's
now.
why he wants the
But
second
I-
cop
Watch
there.
my eyes and everything. Watch my eyes and
I'm
everything. please,
watching
sir.
you.
Please, sir.
I'm
Watch
watching you.
my eyes and
Listen.
Because this guy, yeah, yeah. I totally get it. Mad respect, bro. I get it.
six stencil.
Whew. Oh boy. Oh.
10:15, 10:47. Go ahead and log down my deprivation.
Oh, there's more Zappy? Oh gosh, there's more. He says.
You got his license. You ran it? 10-4 on all those returns. Can you print them to 81, please?
Woo.
What's up?
Talk about the ultimate bias.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You can't conduct a fair and honest investigation at this point. I mean, forget about it, man. Are you kidding me? You're a biased witness. You're a biased cop. Hey, Law Talk with Mike. What's going on, brother? We did a stream the other day.
You have anything in your mouth?
It's on his channel.
Do you have anything in your mouth, Mr. Best? Go ahead and open your mouth and stick out your tongue.
I have a tongue.
Go and lift up your tongue for me. Thank you. Watch your leg. Watch your leg, Mr. Best. Thank you.
No, it's okay, Rockchild. He's done
Is he gonna
decent.
want it?
It's his wallet and his cell phone, so.
Hold on. Do you want your wallet and your cell phone?
He's done pretty decent.
your-
He's done
get
what?
it.
He did the follow the finger, made a few admissions.
Yeah, he wants it.
Could have been better. Could have been better, but it's not all lost.
Tell him I'm gonna park it. at
You
my
you could
place.
tell him. You could talk to him real
Okay,
quick.
see
Yeah.
it back here?
Yeah. Just open the door.
Yeah, I want to hear it. I want to make sure that I get it all on camera, all your conversation. My boy, why did you have to go and get drunk and drive, and now look where you've landed, my boy. Oh, my heart, she is failing.
Richard, listen to me. No, don't talk, listen to me, alright? You know he's listening right here? Hey, don't forget you have a trailer on you, alright? Don't forget you have a trailer, you gotta turn the wider,
I understand.
Listen.
I've driven
Listen,
more trucks than you
listen. You don't
Before
say
you were
nothing,
born.
you don't say nothing, you drive the trailer to your house and we'll
It's
deal
gonna
with it
park
from there.
right there, and
I'll-
then we'll
I'll-
get it home in the morning.
I'll be there shortly to talk to you and we'll go from there.
Watch his leg.
You got it? Clear?
That was really
I
muffled.
appreciate you, sir.
You bet. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Drive safe. If you get pulled over for these lamps again, let them know
Yes,
that the
Clink.
officer already pulled you over from. Okay?
Okay, we're jumping to booking.
I don't even know who you are. Can't have what Keep laughing, bro. Keep laughing. Has nothing to do with you. Keep talking. We're gonna hang up that phone. I don't care to hang up. Here, I'll give it to you for hanging up, bro. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you, bro. Don't worry about this shit. Every repel cam is fucking rolling. Motherfucker, all you guys. Shit. I ain't worried about it. What's up? Nigga, I did this shit, boy! Take me back a couple years. Shit, you used to see me in the county all the time. Be like, yeah, this bitch said what's up, this bitch said that, yeah. We'll go back. Mr. fucking proposed to her and she say no. Shit. What's up, nigga? What's up, doc? Shit. Have your repel cam rolling. Ain't even worried, bro. Ain't even worried about this shit. Ain't even worried about it. Ain't even fucking worried about this shit, doc. You ain't gonna fucking destroy my role. I did more investigations on fucking homicides than you ever fucking did, bro. It's not what you know, it's who you know, motherfucker. Fuck you, dog. No. Bitch. You fucking bitch. Step in this fucking cage with me. Fucker. Yeah, she walks by, she didn't even know the story, bro. Fuck my ex and fucking proposed to her. She say no, now she didn't me. Yeah, now you arrest me. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh my god, this guy needs to cool his jets.
Of course, the white boy don't know. He's like, nothing to do with you. Yeah, you don't even know. You don't even know. He proposed, fucking dated for a long time. and
Wait,
since-
what? What? Nick Murray just wrote the cop, that African American guy, was all over the news here for sexual harassment because he was sending the firefighter ex naked pictures of his girlfriend, and then a year later pulled the boyfriend over for a DUI. Oh man, this case is heavy. Yeah, I agree, Rockchild.
Snapchat pictures to her. Fucking, oh, you're messing with this little boy? You can have this. Fucking him in a jockstrap, fucking all swole. Yeah, whatever, dog. Whatever, bro. I got that on Snapchat. You got my phone. I'll give you the password. You can fucking look through it. You can look through it.
That's something else.
Oh my god.
The cop is a bully.
You got my phone. I'll give you the password and you can throw through my pictures. And it's a screenshot of it. You want proof? Keep laughing. Keep laughing.
Like a straight up bully.
I'm pretty curious too. Actually, I am curious.
I I'm good.
Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join on as a member.
I'm scared, dog. I've been done this shit. You know that. You know that.
Oh.
I'm not next to you in fucking C2. What's up? What's up, dog? See me there, and let's roll now. I'm in a different stance now.
You know, I understand him, Christina. I understand him. It's hard. It's not easy. Emotion takes over and your logic brain just turns off. What up, that guy? What up, that guy? Hey, Christina. Chopper. Charles. Oh, Rockchild. I didn't say hi to you yet. Jet. All the usual suspects in the house. All the usual suspects in the house. But holy crap, man. This video just is depressing. Can we go on to the next one? Is this over? Are we done with this one yet? Thanks, that guy. It's got like a minute left. Alright, let's write this out.
Can you fix it, Elon? Thank you.
Easier said than done, Dan Lowfat. Controlling
Mr.
your
Bass,
emotions.
would you like to do a breath test?
He already told you no, bro. And then he just skipped. Okay. Is there anything else? Man, this video makes me really sad.
Hey, do you know approximate time on how long it'll take to book me and fill me in and give me a bond hearing for the judge I have? Devil Cruz, sir, I'm talking to you.
There is no bond. You'll be until Monday.
Sir, no bond? Okay, till Monday. Monday says the judge.
Yeah, you'll be out Monday.
Okay, cool, bad.
Wow. It really is sad. Like, my eyes are a little watery right now, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. That's really, really sad. That cop was a dick. Thank you, Mike G. Alright, here's the next video. Former WINK Wink. There's the. I can't. Somebody kill me. Former Wink 11 reporter Hannah Vogel arrested for DUI is the title of this video.
Sure if you want or don't want to take the test, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize.
No,
Don't
I'm
apologize.
I'm honestly, like, I'm just shocked because I've never been arrested, and so for me, I'm just, I don't know what to do.
Okay. Well,
And I'm.
Let's read the backstory. This is Real World Police, shout out RWP. On Saturday, October 12, 2019, so this is almost exactly 2 years ago to the day, at approximately 1:40 in the morning, Naples police officer, now Sergeant Brian Kazmierzak, was patrolling westbound on 4th Avenue North in the area of the Naples Police Department when he observed a white four-door vehicle, later identified as a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta, traveling southbound on Goodlet Frank Road North, passing 4th Avenue North at a high rate of speed. Okay, so we have an alleged speeding. After the vehicle passed, the officer pulled out west across Goodlet Frank R. Road North, through the median, turned right and stopped in the southbound lanes facing south, visually estimating the vehicle to be traveling at 65 miles per hour and confirming the same via radar. After catching up to the vehicle and activating emergency lights, the vehicle was slow to react, eventually pulling over on US 41 East at Pine Street. Once the vehicle was stopped, the driver was identified as Hannah Louise Vogel, a now former, she lost her job over this, almost definitely being a public figure, for Wink. I will never get old. ever doing this. It'll never get old. Wink 11 News. God, what a brilliant name. Following the administration of field sobriety test, she was placed under arrest, and she pled guilty on January 15th of 2020 to the charges of reckless driving, a reduced charge, of reckless driving, for which she was sentenced to probation. Her citations for speeding, failure to produce proof of insurance, and open container were all dismissed. That's some good work. That's some good work. Hey Sal, Carlitos, Nestor. Thank you, Carlitos. He says congrats on the 100,000 subscribers. Yay. That sucks, Sal Luna. Nestor, this is not the place to ask for legal advice on your own personal cases. Do I look to you like the public defender's office? Come on now. Like, what is this? I missed my discovery hearing. Oh, there's a lawyer on YouTube. Let me go. I missed my discovery hearing. And I requested another, but I'm not sure. What do I do now? I don't know, man. What are you asking me? I'm here just reviewing some videos on the YouTubes, huh? Why are you asking me, huh? Do I look like somebody who's just gonna... Okay, let me pause everything and address your personal issue right here live on stream. Let's go. Let's go, huh? Let's go. Oh, okay, so for free. Psh, what a deal. What a deal. What a deal. Yeah, no. Wait. I like you, Nestor. You're cool. I like you. He says, $20 super chat? Huh? I pay you $20 for your time? I am such a whore.
Central 6275 East Trail and Pine Street, 28 on Florida. India Echo Bravo Papa 70. How we doing? Good. Naples Police Department, can I see your license, registration, insurance card, please?
We got somebody spamming in the chat. You're kind of a prick. You know that? I hope you know that you're kind of a prick. I just wanted to make sure that you know, so I'm gonna spam it 6 times to show you that a prick knows one when he sees one. Oh wait, crap! I just outed myself. Crap. Ugh. Okay, let me mulligan. Oh, I've been timed out. Ugh. Thank you, Red Rex, for moderating. I appreciate that, brother.
Charlie 1.
Sorry.
Okay.
I think it was funny.
Yeah, phone number's gonna be...
I'm the funniest person I know.
Which one you got here?
Thanks, Mike, for the $5.
Okay.
He says this is for the therapy. I am gonna need therapy after that.
Okay. You have your license.
Yeah.
We'll get that first.
Sorry.
Where are you headed?
I'm sorry?
Where are you going right now?
Home.
Where are you coming from tonight?
The Mercado.
The Mercado?
Dab.
Okay.
I can't even dab.
Do you know why I'm stopping you?
I do not.
Okay. Do you know how fast you were going back there?
Right, Christina? Okay. Christina is a lawyer from California, by the way, you guys.
Good
Christina is here for the entertainment. Christina Saka. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, I hope. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join on as a member, and so on. Dude, what just happened? Some dude is asking for legal advice for $20. Even Christina called him out. It's an insult to our profession as lawyers. That person is delusional. I'm like, yeah, that's. Let me give you legal advice for $20. Like, do I look like I work at McDonald's? Do I look like I work at Madonna's? Come on, have some respect. You want to have a consultation? Let's have a consultation. Don't interrupt my live stream with your own personal legal issues, alright? Sometimes you have a hypothetical, sure, that might be interesting, especially if it's on topic, on point, but man, I have a speeding ticket. Can you, like, what do I do when I go to court? Should I plead guilty or should I fight it? Like, come on, man. Get real.
Road.
Okay.
Going 65. It's 45.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Where do you live?
I'm sorry, she says.
It's on the road.
What's the name of the street? Oh, okay. Have you been drinking tonight?
I have not.
You haven't been drinking at all?
I had a drink.
At a drink? Where? What's part of Mercado?
I should do an entire stream with a Russian public defender character. Well, he was half Russian, half Italian. He started off as Russian. He was like, you know, why are you coming? And then he just went a little bit on the deeper end. You know, he was more like Italian by the end of it, I think, if I remember correctly. But he definitely started out Russian, and then he kind of veered off into the Italian realm. He's a Russian-Italian public defender, okay?
Mercado. The pub? Okay.
Yeah, she's giving out too much
right.
info.
And you're heading home?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry to hear that, Mike. Mike says he works at Madonna's.
For now, I'll be right with you.
That's how you say it, by the way. It's not McDonald's. Nobody says McDonald's anymore. It's Madonna's, with the Spanish accent. Madonna's. You want to go to Madonna's? It's like Madonna, Madonna's.
62. Can you start me a second? IN-10-4. But East Trail and Pine Street. Whew.
That would be funny, Charles.
So, I pull out of the station in this car, her, flying. I thought it was a cop. So I pull out, I cut through the median, I stop, and I get her on stationary radar going away from me.
Yeah.
65 going down Goodwin. But by the time I hit her, she's literally almost down to Fifth Ave. I get down to Fifth Ave, she must have been doing well over 70.
Hey, Liberty Cause.
Trail. Yeah, and I couldn't get her though. I have no idea. So I've only got her on the speed on Goodlet, but she's been drinking. She's coming from Mercado. I was like, holy crap! I didn't even know if I was going to be able to get her. She was moving so good.
Oh, that's why we all did that.
That's like, man. Yeah, trust me. I was like, whoa.
Oh my God!
I think Hannah. Need to see something. Hannah. Yeah, I'm gonna see if she's gonna do anything. Let's see what she's got. Hi, Hannah. Okay. What I'd like to do before we go further here, I want to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay. So what I'd like to have you do is just step out of the car. I'd like to perform a couple tests with you just to see how you are, and if you pass, whatever, you'll be on your way. Okay. Come on out. Why don't we go up? Actually,
big mistake. Don't ever do these
tests.
tests.
We'll go up here. We'll stand over here for now.
You have to exit the vehicle upon request.
Would you mind killing my overheads? I forgot I had them
you
on.
don't have to do these tests.
No. You're fine. Come on over here. Let's go up over here.
I like her dress though. It's really bright orange.
All right. What I'm gonna do
Very
is I want to check
colorful.
your eyes. Okay. So.
Does he not have a body camera?
Can you see the tip of the pen here? Okay.
It's
Can you
so
touch
far
the tip of the pen
away.
with the tip of your finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your finger back down. When I tell you to, I want you to track.
I would use that against the
pen
cop
with
in
your
court.
eyes only, leaving your head still. Don't move
That
your head.
he went as far as he possibly could away from that camera. Like, think about it, yo. Why did he go so far away? That was very intentional. Very intentional, clearly. Because he knows where his dash camera is. He went and he hid behind her car to do the field sobriety tests. That's despicable. That is despicable. And don't tell me this was an accident. This is clearly intentional. He knows where his dash cam is. He knows he doesn't have body camera. This is bullshit.
Track with your eyes only, okay? All right. Okay.
Oh,
Head still. That's okay. That's okay.
sorry, I'm really nervous.
That's okay. Stay with the pen, okay? Do the best you can. It's okay. Okay. All right.
I never get pulled over. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. We'll figure it out from here.
What is he doing? What is he
Actually,
looking
I'll have
for?
you come down over here. Come on over here. Do you want to? What I'm gonna have you do is just do some stuff where you're gonna be walking and standing. Would you rather take your shoes off?
Yeah, I never get pulled over, so I'm kind of freaked out.
I'm thinking about just using this.
Okay.
I think we're protected. I think we're pretty good. Okay. Do you want to do these tests with your shoes on, or would you rather take them off?
I'm too freaked out because I never get pulled over.
Okay.
What is this camera angle
Okay,
that
why don't
keeps
you come on over
switching?
here?
It's giving me a
Okay,
headache.
you can face me this way. Stand there, okay? Stand with your feet together, hands at your side.
Now, is it just
okay?
manual
Hands
zoom
together, hands
in?
at your side. Okay,
What is
I'd like
happening
to do now is take your left foot, place it on that line, and take your right
funny,
foot and
Red
place
Rex.
your right foot in front of it, heel to toe fashion. Make sure they're heel to toe.
Shakira,
okay, as best you can. I
Shakira.
know you don't have shoes on. Keep your hands at your side. Okay, now stay there until I tell you until I give you further instructions, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this white line. Like this, hold on. Hold on. 9 heel-to-toe steps. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you reach 9. When you reach your 9th step, leave your lead foot planted. You short choppy steps, hold on. You short choppy steps, it's okay. It's okay. Try and do me a favor, hop back into that position. There you go. After you reach 9 steps down, you're going to
They're
take
in the middle
9
of the
steps
road,
back.
pretty much.
1, 2,
That's got to be
3,
nerve-wracking.
and so on, so you reach 9. Make sure all your steps are heel to toe.
There's cars driving
Step
by.
out loud,
Ugh.
okay?
I don't
Make sure
like
you
this
watch
one
your
bit.
feet,
I don't
keep your
like
hands
this
at your
cop at
side.
all. Maybe he lost his head because he saw
Okay.
a celebrity, like somebody
You want me to
said.
demonstrate for you again?
No, I'm freaked out.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
We're going to do this one step at a time.
I'm sorry.
All right, is there anything you're confused about in the instructions?
I'm not confused.
Okay, so do me a favor, hold on. Before you start, one more time. Put your left foot on the line and your right foot in front of it. Stand with your feet together, your hands at your side now, okay? Try and stand there. I'm going to give you instructions one more time. I want you to understand the instructions.
No, I understand. I've never been pulled over and I'm freaked out a little bit.
Okay, so you understand the instruction. 9 heel-to-toe steps down, 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Count each step out loud.
Why is
If you
telling
step
her
off
like
the
what
line,
she
get
does
back on
and
the
doesn't
line,
understand?
Continue on where you left off. Okay, keep your hands at your side. Go ahead. Okay.
Let
go
her
ahead
speak,
and do it for
man.
me, best you can. That's okay.
She's very nervous, you can tell. She even keeps saying she's freaked out. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join on as a member. That means you. I'm talking to you. Yes. No, not the person next to you. I'm
Okay,
talking
you want
to you.
to come?
Well,
you
and
wanna
I'm
come
talking
back?
to the person next to you
You want
too.
to turn around and come back? No.
I'm talking to both of you. All 3 of you. All 5 of you. All 5 of your alter
Hey,
egos.
Hannah.
And your 5
Okay.
Google accounts.
Okay, slow down. Okay, it's okay. One step. Listen, look at me. Look at me. Slow down. Okay. All right. Listen. I want you to turn around and try and do 9 heel-to-toe steps back that way.
I'm trying. I'm freaked out because I never get pulled over.
Okay. All right, but you do understand the instructions I gave you, correct?
Back to Taurus.
Okay. 9 heel-to-toe steps down. Turn around.
I'm really
9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay. So turn around. 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay. Do the same thing.
Okay.
Count each step out loud. Okay.
Feels bad, man.
Okay. Do the best you can.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I counting right?
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126,
All right, one more. I'm gonna have you do one more exercise for me, okay? Stand with your feet together, hands at your side again, okay? Feet together, hands at your side. When I tell you to, I want you to choose foot, whatever foot you're most comfortable with. I want you to lift that foot approximately 6 inches above the ground. Keep your toe pointed. Hold on. Not until I tell you to. Lift your foot approximately 6 inches above the ground. Point your toe. Okay? I want you to watch your foot and count out loud. Keeping your hands at your side. You're going to count out loud. 1,001.
She's so nervous. She doesn't like. She's never been in this situation before. She doesn't know that she can simply tell this cop, "Look, I don't want to do this. I'm not interested.
Do you understand?
Find the next fish. I'm done. If you're gonna arrest me, arrest me.
Whatever.
Let's just go to jail. Or if you're not gonna arrest me, let me go."
Approximately 6 inches above the ground, pointing your toe. Okay, keeping
That's what you should have done.
Your foot parallel to the ground. Your hands.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're gonna watch your foot, and you're gonna count it loud. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so on. Until I tell you to stop.
They'll never tell you that these are optional.
You put your foot down,
ever.
pick it
They'll
back
just
up,
say,
continue on where
"You
you
come
left off."
here, do this
understand?
right now." There is no, "Hey, would you mind if you're interested?
Okay.
If you're
When
feeling
you're
up
ready,
to the
go ahead and
task,
start for me.
would
okay?
you mind coming over here and blah 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 blah?" No, they'll say, "You here now,
Okay,
go."
We're getting there, okay? Hannah, when you're ready, you
What's up,
whatever
Tabby's
foot you
daddy?
want and do what I told you to do.
You know how much I missed you.
Okay. Well, let's try this, okay?
Tabby's is my YouTube wife.
Yep. Until I'll tell you to stop. Just count out loud. 1,001.
Hey, Scott. Yeah, that is a great way to put it, Carlitos. He said, "Hey, do you mind helping me get you convicted of a crime you didn't commit yet?" That's a great way to put it. I love that.
Okay, go ahead and stop for me. You can stop. All right. Why don't you you want to go ahead and put your shoes on for me?
I know, Tabbies. I saw you in there.
Go ahead and put your shoes on for me.
I probably deserved it. If you were ignoring me, then I mean,
Okay.
your wife ignoring you is normal procedure, I think. So, you being my YouTube wife, you know, I understand why you were ignoring me.
Go ahead and put
Hey,
your shoes
Tracy.
on. How much, Hannah? How much have you had to drink tonight? Just a drink. That's it. What was it? Okay. All right. Well, this is where I'm at. Hannah.
I know.
Based on your driving, based on my interaction with you, based on the field sobriety exercises I had you perform, to me,
Now she's making more
I
admissions.
believe that you're impaired and you shouldn't be driving. Okay. At this point, I'm going to place you under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. So go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Wait, no, Michael. Michael Doherty, you just made a critical error. And let me show you what it is. Kentucky Revised Statute obstruction of justice. Okay, obstruction of justice. Read it and weep. A person is guilty of obstructing governmental operations. So people think like, okay, if I tell him, if I like stop him from doing his job, I'm obstructing justice. Bullshit. No, you're not. This is the definition of obstruction. A person is guilty of obstructing governmental operations when he intentionally obstructs, impairs, or hinders the performance of a governmental function, right? But that's not all. That's just half of the sentence. By using or threatening to use violence, force, or physical interference. So meaning like if you start wrestling the cop, right? Not only is that going to be probably resisting arrest on top of everything, but it has to be some type of force. It can't just be verbal. Verbal is not force. You're not that verbally. It's very rare that verbal statements can be like assault. right? Or violence, or it definitely won't be physical interference. But it's got to be like some type of force, okay? It can't just be like, I'm not doing your test. Oh, obstruction of justice! You're obstructing my investigation! You're under arrest! No, that's not how it works. You must have some type of, and just saying, fuck you to the officer, I'm not doing your tests, is still not violence. It's still not a threat of the use of force. It is just, well, maybe a little unseeming and unbecoming behavior of a gentleman or a lady, most definitely, but it's not it doesn't rise to that level, okay? It's got to be more. It's got to be more. It's not enough to simply say, I'm not doing your test. Oh, obstruction of justice. No, it doesn't work that way. Wrong. But nice try.
Hands behind your back. Have you ever been arrested before? No. Okay. I'm trying to do this so I don't hurt your wrist, okay?
Hold on. No, giving false information, giving a false identity to an officer, that's a crime. That's actually in the statute. You're not obstructing justice. At that point, you are actually providing false information to an officer, and most jurisdictions have it listed as a crime. Usually a misdemeanor. It's never a felony.
Okay.
I shouldn't say never. It might be a felony in some jurisdictions.
All right, Hannah, why don't you come back over here? I'm gonna put you. Actually, we'll walk up another sidewalk here. Would you mind just doing a quick?
Yeah.
I know there's not much to check, but.
Like I said, there's like a little bit.
Central.
There she is. In her cute little orange dress. I really like that dress. It's really nice.
It's only 10:15 with that 29.
And I'm going to explain to you, like, you're never going to jail before, but if time drops on you and you go to the jail, that's the problem. So if you have anything...
If you can't outsmart a 5-year-old, don't talk to the cops.
Can you also start a rotation 70?
My mama told me never to talk to strangers. That's why I don't talk to cops, because they are strangers. Mike, that is brilliant. I love it. That is brilliant. If anybody can point me to a video, I swear to God, I will die. I will physically die. If you can find a video where a person actually has said that to a police officer. Police officer comes up to your window. Hi, do you realize how fast you were going? And person looks him dead in the eye and literally goes, officer, my mom always told me never to talk to strangers, and you're a stranger, so I refuse to speak to you. It's kind of like a roundabout way of don't talk to cops. That is brilliant. What do you do as the cop at that point? Like, dude, are you 7? Like, it doesn't matter. He can say whatever you want. He can let him insult you, let him berate you, let him belittle you. He's a bully anyway, 9 times out of 10. What? So what? Who cares? Whatever. Deal with it in court. They'll make the cop look like an idiot at that point, because he'll be frozen. I'm sure he won't know what to do, because you're not even like, you're asserting your 5th Amendment right, on some level maybe even 4th Amendment right? And it's just like, officer, I refuse to speak to you. I was raised not to speak to strangers. I respect the law, but I was raised not to talk to strangers. Holy crap. That is by far one of the smartest things I've heard in a long time. That is really, yeah. That's exactly right, Christina. That's a great way of putting it, too. She says, you're taking a submissive persona while telling them to screw off. Brilliant. I agree. I mean, think about it. How do you bully someone who's just like opening the door for you? Go ahead. Do it. Go ahead. Bully away. I'll give you more reasons. Yeah, 5 years old, whatever, 7 years old, 9 years old, sure. My mom always told me not to talk to strangers. Yes, I know I'm 39 years old. What's your point? I just stick to it. I respect you. No, sure. I just don't want to talk to you. Bye. Like, what do you do? What would a cop do at that point? Like I don't even know. What do you do as a police officer? You're under arrest for obstructing of justice. Yeah, okay. Take me in. Obstructing your, ugh.
Whoa, okay. And Hannah, listen. I didn't put the cuffs on really tight, but I'm just gonna warn you. Do not try and wiggle out of them, okay?
Turn this way so that you'll be most comfortable, especially when you're driving. Because I'm putting the seatbelt on you so that you don't slide.
Your mom's not here. It's okay. We can charge your mom with obstructing of justice. Nice. That's funny. Okay. I think I don't know if there's anything else in this video. Obviously, we just learned who she is from the beginning of the video. There's like one little point here.
62.
What do you guys want to do? You guys want to keep watching this, or do you want to go to the next video? Holler at me, chat. Holler at your boy. What do you guys want to do? You want to finish this? There's like 22 more videos of this nonsense. I don't think there's really much of anything interesting here. It's just her being arrested. Should we go to the next one? No, this is not a random video that I found, actually, Liberty Cause. Somebody sent this one to me. It's over. Okay. All right. Everybody says next. Let's go to the next one. All right, so this one has an interesting name. The Drug Whisperer. It's an interesting few cases of wrongful arrest based on a ride. Have we seen this one before? I feel like we have. I feel like we've seen this one before. Why do I feel like I've seen this one before? I mean, I could be wrong. I could be completely dead wrong. But I feel like I've seen this one before. Let's see.
Driving.
The Drug Whisperer. Drivers arrested while stone cold
Arrests
sober.
are down sharply after decades of aggressive enforcement, while drugged driving arrests are actually climbing.
Georgia now has more than 250 officers with special drug recognition expert training, but 11 Alive Chief Investigator Brendan Keefe discovered some drivers are getting arrested for driving stoned, even when their drug test came back clean.
You hadn't had anything to drink tonight?
Not tonight, no.
Oh wait, yeah.
One of the things that we
Okay,
do is we ask people
we've
to
seen
budget.
this one. We've seen. It was a different video. Yeah. That we've seen this one. We're not gonna watch it again.
Okay.
Oops. Let's go to the next one. Let's do one more. We've seen this one. This is the guy who just does not give a crap and arrests people because he suspects that they're under the influence. We've done a similar one, a similar video with the exact same cop, same exact videos, same unfortunate arrests. We're not doing it again. Let's see. This is an older video, but I think it's worth sharing with the people. If anything, it's a great lesson on not caving in to cops' guilt trip when they try to get people to help them get a case against yourself. This lawyer called the cops bullshit pretty fast and didn't back down. He knew he was going to jail despite everything, but he refused to help them with their case. I don't know how this turned out. Being it's a semi-high profile staff of Texas government, I never heard about the guy's arrest, but it's a very accurate picture of exactly how it goes when a person refuses to help a cop charge them with a DUI. Ooh, I like it already. Oh, let me get you the link, you guys. Sorry about that. Let me get you the link. There. Okay. He's getting blue lighted.
Good, sir. How are you? Good. I'm Officer Gilbert with the Austin Police Department. You know why you're stopped tonight?
No, sir.
Okay, the speed limit coming down 6th Street is 30 miles an hour. You passed me at 45.
Okay, first off, let me correct the the screen here because the image is a little bit skewed. Here we go. This is gonna look better. There we go.
So, you can see driver's license, your proof of insurance real quick, please. So from the time you woke up this morning until now, how much alcohol have you had to drink tonight?
I had a half a glass of wine between 6 and 6:45. I had a drink from 7:15 to 7:45. I had a drink from about 8 o'clock to 8:30. I had one half a drink from 9 to 9:30.
Okay.
And when I say drink, I mean a Manhattan.
Okay. All right. So were they all Manhattans?
No. From 6 to 6:45 was half a glass of wine, as I indicated
Okay.
to you. The other drinks were Manhattan.
Okay. Where are you coming from right now?
Work.
Work. All right. Where's your office at?
Breaker and Metric.
Breaker and Metric?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd you end up downtown here?
Well, I was working. I mean, I came from Breaker and Metric. I had work to do downtown. I met some people. Then I'm heading home.
Okay. All right.
This guy's a
Are you
lawyer?
conducting field sobriety tests?
Yes, sir. This is what I have to do.
I'm not going to participate.
Okay. Why?
Because I'm an attorney and I decline to participate.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, okay. So let me volunteer all information previously admission. But oh, more information, physical tests? No, I'm not gonna do those for you. Does not compute.
I understand what you have to do. I understand what you're working. I'm not going to participate. Anything that I do tonight can only serve to.
That's a great point. I was just thinking that then, Low Fat. He said he listed his drinking times with such specificity. I mean, how can he possibly be drunk, right?
Incriminate me.
If you've done nothing wrong, how can you incriminate yourself?
I understand. You know, I'm telling you, I'm not going to participate.
Okay.
If you think that based on our conversation tonight, I'm fit to drive home, then let me go ahead and drive home. If you think that I'm not fit to drive home, then go ahead and arrest me and book me for DWI.
So you'd rather go to jail,
yes, sir.
have your vehicle impounded, than spend 5 minutes and show me that you're safe to drive?
Sir.
Wait. That's a trick question. You would rather go to jail and have your vehicle impounded than spend 5 minutes in proving your innocence? No. The actual phrase is, you rather spend the night in jail and have your vehicle impounded than help me incriminate you in court. That's the real phrase.
All due respect.
No, I'm asking you a question. You'd rather go to jail, have to pay attorney's fees, bond out of jail, get your vehicle out of impound,
just
than spend 5 minutes and show me that you're safe to drive?
No, sir. I'd rather spend 5 minutes. I'd rather spend 5 minutes and show you that I'm fit to drive.
Then do that. That's all I'm asking you to do.
Look, I've represented hundreds of people in DWIs, and I'm just not inclined to do it.
Okay, and I've tested thousands of people and let people go as well.
How many of them have you let go?
More than half, more than 3/4.
I don't believe it. I'm calling bullshit. More than 3/4 I've let go? Bull. I'm calling it. No way. No way. Cops lying. Don't believe you. Get out of here. No. More than half, more than 3/4, more than 9/10. Every single one. Like, I swear to God, this cop.
More than 3/4.
Yes.
You're representing to me tonight that you have represented.
There he is.
You have let more than 3/4 of the people that you've stopped go.
Yeah. So
if I put your record in APD, that's gonna show that you've let more than 3/4 of the people go.
Yes. I test anywhere.
Wait,
hundreds of people in DWIs, and I'm just not inclined to do it.
Okay, and I've tested thousands of people and let people go as well.
How many of them have you let go?
More than half, more than 3/4.
More than 3/4.
Yes.
you're representing to me tonight that you have let more than 3/4 of the people that you've stopped go.
Yeah,
So if I pull your records from APD, I'm gonna.
So if I go through your records, this is gonna confirm. I'm sure the cop should be sweating a little bit.
That's gonna show that you've let more than 3/4 of the people go.
Yes, I test anywhere from 5 to 7 to sometimes 10 people a night. Just because I test somebody doesn't mean they're intoxicated. It's my job to make sure that the people
That's
out
a
here
lie.
are safe to drive.
That's a
Let me
lie.
ask you this.
Once you are administered the field sobriety test, there's a 9 times out of 10 chance you're going to jail, even if you are sober. Even if you are, because you're just giving them more evidence. Like, that's such a blatant lie. God.
Is there anything other than speeding that indicates to you that I was driving under the influence?
Yes, fail to maintain a single lane, following too closely, fail to stop at designated point, and nearly running the red light.
Okay, what red light? What the fail?
The red light right there at Westland. You stop past the stop line, it past the stop walk, and into the stop.
Please tell me he just gets arrested.
Then nothing that I do tonight is going to change your mind.
Yes, it is.
What?
I understand that.
I'm apprehensive.
I understand that.
I think that I would be successful in.
The battle of the minds. I love this. This is nuts. This is literally like the law arguing with the law enforcer. Literally. That's the best way that I can summarize it right now. The law, like the lawyer's mind. I see the inner workings of his brain right now. Oh.
My field sobriety test.
Why not? You know that they're proven in the roadside conditions?
No, actually, I know that they're not.
Yeah.
Yes, they are.
No, that's what I'm telling you, officer.
No.
I know that they're not. And I know based on my training and experience, based on my representing individuals who have been charged with DWI in the courts of Travis County, Texas,
Yes.
that they are not accurate. I'm not impugning your integrity. I'm not impugning the tests themselves. I'm just saying that for people like me who are apprehensive about taking a test, who are nervous, my knees are shaking, there's.
What are you nervous about?
Come on.
Because I'm being apprehended by a law enforcement
If you're
officer.
not intoxicated and haven't done anything wrong, what do you have to be nervous for?
You know what?
Okay. I'm still going to explain and demonstrate everything that I'm asking you to do, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to do it.
I understand.
Okay? So, you're not willing to let me look at your eyes at all?
No, sir.
All right. Can you have you stand right over here for me, please? We're going to turn and face this direction. And have you put your left foot on that white line, take your right foot, put it directly in front of your left foot.
I like how he's trying to trick him into doing field sobriety tests. Like, this guy's going to be like, I don't know what's going on.
Touching your heel to your toe so your feet are in a straight line, just like I'm doing now. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to do that?
No, sir.
No.
Okay.
Smart. Okay.
Now, but you understand what I'm asking you to do.
I do, sir.
All
Two,
right.
I'd like to notice.
3, all the way to 9.
Yeah, I'd just like you to notice that my pants are rippling in the breeze.
Okay, and I just did that just fine with the breeze. So, what's your point?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and turn around, face the car, please. Bring your hands behind your back.
Yeah.
You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated tonight.
But he's got nothing. He's got nothing on him. He's got nothing. Like, you're being arrested under suspicion of being intoxicated tonight. But the only evidence I have is I kind of sort of think based on the violations that you've committed and your refusal. I'm using your refusal to do a field sobriety test against you. What? Dude, this is not how it works. No. You can't be like, well, prove your innocence to me. Oh, you refuse to prove your innocence, therefore you are guilty. Clink. No. Sound like a sheep. No. Don't arrest me, please. I don't want to go to jail. What? No. Just no, you guys. Oh, what a day. What a day we've had. Been streaming for about an hour and a half now. I think we're going to call it a night or afternoon or whatever the heck it is. It's 3:33 in the afternoon. Eastern time? Are you kidding me? That's it? Ay. All right. We'll be back. We'll be back shortly. I think my Facebook stream was cutting in and out. Also, don't forget to check us out on Twitch. On Twitch, we have been streaming on 3 platforms now, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. So be sure to check us out in all those other streams and stuff. So, yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join on as a member if you're so inclined. I love every single one of you. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. And the DUI guy, will see you next time. Until then, peace. Are you not going to let me terminate my stream?